Now, one important thing, guys, is that if I go to payouts, you can see my commissions by promoting the 72-hour challenge and freedom breakthrough. So basically, I have made commissions by promoting this product, and also I have made commissions by promoting get response. Check this out. I have one person in the recurring payment. So it's possible, guys, to make commissions with affiliate marketing, but you need to do it the right way. You need to set up well your system, and once you have this 24/7 sales system that is basically that is going to promote products for you through email marketing, and then having that system set up, you need to start driving traffic to it, and that is when people quit, because driving traffic to our affiliate links, it takes time, it takes persistence. So the way that I do that is by creating content on my YouTube channel. So I have all these videos, and these videos are helping me to reach an audience that resonates with my own story, because here I'm like basically documenting my journey, my affiliate marketing journey. And so all the commissions that I'm making, all the things that I'm learning through this journey. So basically this is what I'm doing to promote products, guys. So I have this system, and then I create content on my YouTube channel. I have other social media channels as well, like for example Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. I create Facebook Reels, but a huge portion of leads become from this YouTube channel. So when people go to my YouTube channel and click this link, this one, it's going to open my opt-in page, and if they want to get access to a free training, they need to write their information, and basically that is how I'm teaching people all the things that I'm learning by doing affiliate marketing. So right now, guys, today I'm going to show you how I'm going to promote a YouTube video. So having your own email list, guys, is powerful, because you can send an email and you can basically promote any product that you want. So for example, if I go here to this, so this is my ClickFunnels account, and I have here all these pages. So I have here free trainings, I have as well. So I created these like cool landing pages to promote these products: the 70-hour challenge, legendary marketer, funnel freedom, too bad you get response. And for example, let me show you this one, and you're going to see that it's a simple landing page. So instead of sending my affiliate link to my email list, I send this page in which I have here a good headline. I also put a video about the product that I'm going to promote, and below the video people are going to find this button, and when they click it, they will be clicking my affiliate link. For example,